Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo ha ka khandai tarik nailar kalapan hak perdai ke jing rakhi ya ke jing dap posnem jong hospital da ka menteri ke tanak ka kwat ka kya ka kong amprin lingdo but lesin rando ba mirul bonds MLE ba chairman health advisory board kinong peniat ba ki doktor na Bethany Nongpo ki pakintup yu achula di silo Dr. CM Poshna but ki wake doctor kilapan pau ke jing kemen ya ka jing se so jong kani ke jing rakhi dap posnem ka Bethany Hospital Hanongpo Hakini kesngi penwai ke jing rakhe la pelipat ba ya udur mot jong Dr. John L. Silo Rintathiam unong seng jong ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo. La pelipat baru ya kali kit nongpang jong kador bar nong paham sim nongpo malayo na scheme Chief Minister Free Diagnostic Services CMFDS. Kadba na kaliang ke Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpo kala pelipat ba ya ke dialysis unit ke Jaka Sumar Pekerpang na kebenta kinongpang kelak.
तो बेसिकली जो एक कोई ऑप्शन होता है
Such a pleasure to be inaugurating this much required dialysis unit here. Thank you, Bethany.
We have a very stringent review. We have
ta chúng tôi đi doctor Silo dukung ta hospital ta đang ngày yang rasam dunia syakri ya kibri na kulai saudang
David and the other staff of the Bethany Hospital, where they are going to celebrate the 10th anniversary of this hospital here in Nongpo. It gives me immense pleasure to hear and to be part of this beautiful program today. We have heard the opening remark by Dr. Cheki and also by Mrs. Achulati Silo about the dream and aspiration of late Dr. John Silo Rintathiam, who is the founder of this hospital, where he had a dream, a vision, a determination to serve the people of this particular area as well as the state in general, with regards to healthcare in the state as a whole. When we talk about the dream, dare to dream, it reminds me about the famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. In the midst of his fighting in America in 1963, where in a famous quote that he said, I have a dream that I will live in a country where my 4 little children, they will not be judged by the content, by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Unquote.
Sincerest gratitude to your family, madam. The 3 C's that I see right underneath Bethany Hospital: compassion, care, commitment. This is Dr. Saido impersonated. Wonderful person. I knew him as a person who was so giving, was so available. It was very clear that if he had been here today, he would have been very angry with Honorable CM and me for being late. He's a man who was very punctual. So sorry, Doc, wherever you are, I know you're watching us. I feel such great loss every time I remember Dr. Saido. He's a man of great personality, so much giving in his life, and this is one of his dreams. Bethany Extension Program, Outreach Nongpoh Hospital. So happy. The other day, ma'am, I was just browsing the news, and I saw the triplets being born in your hospital, and I said, wow, who would have imagined that today the people of Nongpoh would have had this honor and this privilege. And I watched on when they were showing me, they were talking about the news of the triplets, and that mother was so overwhelmed because she could not imagine that God had blessed her with 3 children. That could have only been possible if she had had the opportunity of coming to Bethany. Peter, Rebecca, David, we grew up together. We know each other very well. We don't have to be formal about everything. But you, the 3 wonderful children of Dr. Saido, have done his honor well. You have led the legacy, you are living the legacy, and we will go all out to help this institution grow. And the local MLA has said whatever that needs to get said about the certification of quality services given in this center. And I am also very honored to be a part of the 3 things that are going to be happening here today. We are going to be inaugurating the dialysis unit. So grateful to Bethany for starting a dialysis unit here. The tremendous pressure that we feel as a government to provide for a dialysis treatment for our citizens is overwhelming, and it is just but fit for you to start the dialysis center here. I'm also going to be very happy to be unveiling Dr. Saido's bust. Who would have imagined that one day I would have that privilege of doing it on behalf of the family. And the third thing, of course, we're so grateful to the community that is always available and around for the requirements of the provision of quality healthcare to the people of the state of Meghalaya, particularly the region of Nongpoh and Riboy district.